Hello everyone, this is me Padma. In this video, we are going to see the continuation of exercise 1B, question number 6 and 7, which belongs to chapter 1 GST, and this concept is regarding the value addition, belongs to class 10 ICSE. Let's start with question number 6. A is a dealer in Meerut, which is in UP. So just consider there is a dealer A. He is going to supply the goods or services worth 15,000. Okay, so 15,000 to the dealer B. He is in MP. So what type of transaction is this? It is interstate transaction, right? Because different state. Now, dealer B in turn supply the same goods or services to the dealer C, who is in MP. Okay, so at a profit of 3,000, it's very important. So initially, actually, he bought it for 15,000 and he made the profit as 3,000. So 15 plus 3. So he is selling the same goods and services. That means who? Dealer B is selling the same goods and services which he received from the dealer A, and he is selling by 18,000 to the dealer C. Yes. So now what is the next thing in the question? So they have told the rate of tax. That means the GST is 18%. Now the question is what? The cost including, that means including GST, how much cost for the goods and services at the dealer C, assuming that the dealer C does not sell the goods or services further. So this person is not going to sell the goods or services further to anybody. So we need to find the cost that the dealer is going to spend to buy the goods or services, including the GST they have asked us. And then what I have to do over here, so just we are going to find 18,000, and what is the cost actually for GST? It's 18%. So 18 by 100 of 18,000. This is what the thing which we require for finding the cost of goods or services at dealer C in, and what we need to assume that he is not selling that goods or services further. If he is selling, then the GST changes and all will happen. So since here he is not selling further, we can easily find this one. So the division 1 is we need to find the cost of goods or services at dealer C. So what is that? Actually, the dealer C bought the goods or services for 18,000 and he is going to pay the GST amount of 18%. So 18 by 100 into 18,000. So 2020 will get cancelled. So here we will be getting 18,000, and what is 18 into 8 we need to find. So it's nothing but 3, 2, 4 and 1 0 is there. So we will add that 0 also over here. Okay, so now 18,000 plus 3,240, how much we will be getting? Here 240 is going to be there. So 18 plus 3 is nothing but 21. So 21,240 is the cost that has been spent by the dealer C for buying the goods or services. Now the next question, the second subdivision is net tax payable by dealer B. What is the meaning of net tax payable by dealer B? Actually, B paid a tax to A while getting the goods or services, and B received a tax from C while selling the goods or services to C. Now we are going to find, so what is input tax, output tax? Yes, we are going to find the difference between that. What this person is collecting from C is nothing but output tax, and what he has already given the amount as GST to dealer A is nothing but input tax. So what we are going to do, just we will be subtracting output tax minus input tax, so that you will be getting the net payable by dealer B. So what is the output tax he collected? It's 3,240. And what is the input tax he collected? We don't know, right? So first we will find what is that. 18% of 15,000. So 18 by 100 into 15,000. So what it will give? 2020 is getting cancelled. So if I multiply 18 into 150, we will be getting 2,700. So yes, now my input tax is 2,700. So if we subtract this, it's nothing but the net payable paid by the dealer B. Okay, so the answer is going to be 0, and here it's 4. In 12, 7 goes, you will be getting 5. Yes, so rupees 540 is nothing but the net payable by dealer B. So here ends the question 6. Let's see question number 7. Here the question is a dealer X. So the dealer X in Hapur, UP supply the goods or services worth 50,000 to some other dealer Y in the same city. So what is the cost? It's nothing but 15,000. 15,000 value of goods or services. Now this Y person going to supply the goods or services to a dealer Z in Calcutta at a profit of 20,000. Then what will be the selling price over here? 50 plus 20 is going to be 70,000. So the dealer Y going to sell the same goods or services which he received from X for 50,000. He is selling for 70,000 now with a profit of 20,000. Now what is our question? We need to find the output and input taxes at the dealer Y. So what is output taxes? How much he collected from Z. What is the input tax? How much he paid for the dealer X. But we need the GST percentage. It has been given over here in the question, which is 28%. So first we will calculate the input tax. First we will calculate. So what is input tax he has paid to X, right? So it's nothing but 28 by 100 into 50,000. So 20 will get cancelled. So we will be getting, if we multiply 28 into 5, so we will be getting 140. And we have two more zeros over here. So it's nothing but 14,000. So 14,000 is going to be what? The input tax. So now let's find what is output tax. What is output tax? It's nothing but how much he got from the dealer Z. So it is 28% of that amount into 70,000 now, because the selling price to Z is 70,000. So you have to take that amount only. So we can cancel here. So 28 into 7, it's nothing but 196. And what will be the thing? Still here two more zeros are there. So I can include these two zeros. Yeah, so now output tax is 19,600. Yes, and anything they have asked? Yeah, the next question. So first question is just output and input taxes for the dealer Y. So we calculated that. And what is our second question? They are asking what is the net GST payable by dealer Y. So what is the formula for finding it? It's nothing but output tax minus input tax. So we know how much we collected from Z. It's nothing but 19,600. How much the dealer gave as a tax to X? It's nothing but 14,000. So we need to subtract these two to get the net payable, GST payable by dealer Y. So if we subtract, we will be getting 5,600 rupees. So this is what our answer for the second question, second subdivision. Remaining question we'll see in the next video. Thank you.